In today's video, I'm going to be talking about this. It's the Colapz Utility Bag. I'm out here in the Hero camper once again, just kind of getting things set up and ready for an upcoming trip. So it's a good opportunity to record this video again about the Colapz Utility Bag, as I mentioned in the intro. So first of all, a disclaimer: Colapz sent me this along with a couple of other products that I'll be reviewing on the channel over the coming videos. They sent this to me a good couple of months ago now, but I've been using it over the last 4 camping trips here in the Hero camper, so I feel like I can talk more authoritatively about the product and whether I think you should get one or not. And to save you watching till the end, I think you should get one. They sent me the 16 litre version, and I've already picked up the 35 litre version for myself because I think it is that good. So whether you are in a large caravan, whether you are backpacking, camping in a tent, or in a little Hero camper teardrop trailer like I have, space is a premium, and that's really where all of the Colapz products come in. The ability to have functional, usable products that collapse and fold down nice and small for obviously transporting and not taking up loads of storage, but then can be expanded out, uncollapsed, to be a more usable product. So at first I wasn't really sure what the Colapz Utility Bag might actually be used for. So my reason that I asked them to send me this as part of the products I was going to review for them was specifically actually for showering purposes. So I have both a Colapz shower, which we will talk about in a future video, but also a gas powered shower as well, and also you need a water source for that. So my initial plan actually was that I would fill one of these with water and I would attach the water pump for the shower into it, and that would be its only and primary use. So I'm still waiting actually for the shower tent stuff that I want to be using, which why I haven't done a video on that, and actually why I hadn't used this for showering yet other than just some testing. But I found actually on trips I've used this every single trip, and that's why I decided I wanted another one. So what these bags are really good for is, as you can see here, when folded up, and you can probably fold this even smaller if you like, but I keep mine here under the sink, which takes up hardly any room. Nice and small, but again then easily folds out to be a nice large bucket. So as mentioned, this is the 16 litre version. They're all a durable fabric. It's sealed, so it's a waterproof construction, so you can fill this up with water and it's not going to leak. The other thing that I actually quite like about it is, if you see here, these handles, they actually don't seem to hurt your hand. I've filled this up and carried it a good distance from a water source back to my Hero camper, and it didn't hurt my hand. It works really nicely, as you can see, like this. But it's not handy just for water. I think that's in my head that the primary initial kind of purpose for this bag, but you can use it to put dirty clothes in, put washing in for laundry. You can put all your dirty dishes and cutlery and pans in there as you take it to the washing area of a campsite or anything. So really, really versatile, and that's why, again, like I said, I decided to buy the larger one as well. So let's have a quick look at that. So all of the Colapz stuff comes in the standard kind of packaging. I've said it in other videos. The only thing that would be nice on the packaging as a consumer is to confirm what it is in this box. When you buy multiple Colapz stuff, you don't know what it is until you open the box. So you don't know this is a utility bag. Could be a shower head, could be something else, I don't know. But when you look inside, again, this is the 35 litre bag version. Look how nice and folded up it is. It's absolutely fantastic. We'll unfold it in a moment so you can see how that works. And as with all Colapz products, you get a little survey thing, so you can say whether you're happy with it or not. You can buy things direct from Colapz, from Amazon and from eBay. Maybe a link down in the description if you decide you want to get one of these as well. And then a little bit of an instruction leaflet on kind of how you can use it. So as you can see there, it's waterproof, robust, lightweight, compact, and has multiple uses, and even actually some instructions on folding it back up into a nice compact size, which is great. So yeah, so you can see here, this is how the large one has come folded up. Fold this out once, fold it out again, And then down again we have this really nice large usable bucket to transfer stuff around. And obviously when you add the water, the weight of the water and stuff fills out all the sides and it makes it really usable. So again, now I have both sizes, and they come in this grey colour which matches my Hero camper, but they're also available in blue and green right now at the time of doing these videos. So again, thanks very much to Colapz for sending in these over. I think the utility bag is absolutely brilliant. It's well priced. You should definitely get one if you're doing any camping or anything. You have a need to move water, clothing, cutlery, washing, whatever it may be, even putting kids' toys and stuff in here. You know, when moving around, it's absolutely brilliant, which is again why I bought the larger one myself. So hope this video has been helpful. Please consider liking it if you haven't done so already, and if you're not already a subscriber, please consider pressing that subscribe button and the notification icon. More geeky gadgety type things, and there's more Colapz products that I was sent that I've been checking out over the last few months that will be coming to the channel as well. Multiple videos to come. So thanks again, Colapz, and catch you all in the next one. Take care of yourself. Until the next one, goodbye for now.